Hello, let's talk about handstand using the push-up devices.
Welcome to OnlinePilatesClasses.com, the most supportive Pilates-loving community across the globe. Enjoy new weekly classes from our amazing teachers. Download the OnlinePilatesClasses.com app today.
So handstand with the push-up devices is one of the many more gymnastics-like exercises you can do on the push-up handles or push-up devices. I am not a gymnast. This is a hard exercise for me. I have Brad, my husband and spotter, to make sure I don't flip over. It also helped me get up. You're going to see the whole practice happen here. Before I continue to show you how to do your handstand, I just want to say, if you don't have push-up handles like these, we actually show you how to make your own using PVC pipe. We have a video on this channel, but we also have a blog. And if you have the OnlinePilatesClasses.com accessory flashcard deck, just so you know, there's actually a whole card on how to make different props that are in the accessories deck that are a little pricey to buy. And one of those is the push-up handles, push-up devices, and it will lead you to a blog post that will give the measurements and everything you need to know. So the push-up device handstand, there's a lot you can do once you're from the handstand, which I'm not going to do, but just if you look at the videos you do from hanging pull-ups on the Cadillac, where you can flip upside down, you can come through and beat your legs and all the things, you can combine different exercises. The handstand, once you nail it, you can actually take the L-sit into your handstand. So there's a lot you can do. And if that's your goal, if more gymnastics like workouts, primal movement is part of your goal, these are going to be amazing for you. So Brad's going to help me make sure I don't flip over. You want to, I have my push-up devices on sticky pads. I'm on tile. I would do that if I had a hardwood floor, anything that's not a gym floor. You want to make sure your handles do not slip out anywhere. Okay. Very, very important. And then if you want to practice this without a spotter, I also have a short on how to do it with the Cadillac. It's something that I do. And if you watch the video on how to make your own push-up devices, we show a really fun way of doing that as well. And it's something that's quite challenging for me. So of course you would be able to do handstands without push-up devices before you elevate them, because once you elevate your hands to the floor, it does make it harder. All right, the next thing you're going to do is lead into it like you would any exercise, okay? So on the push-up handles, you'll always do a standing roll up, put the hands down without leaning back. Then I'm going to lift, put the weight on my hands already. I'm squeezing here. I'm going to look through my legs. One leg's going to go up, and I'm going to kick. And because I'm on these push-up devices, I'm going to have to go higher and probably not talk as I do it. So here we go. Oh my goodness. And then once you're up there, if you're lucky like me, I can put my toes on the ceiling and hold myself. Cheat. So then there you go. And then you find that handstand. And if you were a gymnast, you could come through without touching the floor. That's not me. So I'm going to bring one leg down. My spotter's going to help. Stick it. Roll up. Circle around. Always finish your exercises. Very, very important. If you struggle with those kick-ups, something I really highly recommend doing is practicing lead-ups on the floor. Making sure you're practicing getting those hips up. It's something I struggle with. If you can see how long my legs are, I have a lot of leg to lift up and not a lot of torso. So we all have our challenges, but again, it's such a fun thing to try. It's a big challenge, and it really does make you work your weight into your arms. So thank you, Brad, for spotting and helping me get those hips up. We all need a Brad. And if you have questions about this and how to use it in your practice, make sure you put it in the comments below. Also, while we don't do push-up device classes on OPC, we also do provide lots of feedback on your form, more personalized attention. So if you do have push-up handles and you want my feedback during OPC, film yourself and I can do that for you. Go to onlinepilatesclasses.com/YouTube. Thank you.